Hey, welcome to the Easy Cheesy Lemon Squeezy Drawing Show.
Today we're going to be drawing a tank.
That's right.
And you can find this tank on another video that we made.
That's right. This tank you can find on another video we made and is from a company called Ruko. It is an RC tank, super cool, and
you should go check it out.
Yeah, basically, just gotta go check it out.
It's in the description below.
All right. Yeah, we'll add that to the description below.
Yeah.
But we're gonna basically get to draw a easy cheesy tank like this. You ready to get started there?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Okay, so the first thing I think I want to do is I want to draw some treads.
Me too.
All right, so I'm going to draw a line going all the way down here. I'm going to use that dot system. I'm going to put a dot here, a dot here, and a dot up here. This will be my treads. So then I just draw a line and then draw it all the way to the next dot there. And I just want you to have fun with your drawing. It's okay to make mistakes, and it's okay to be different. We're just having fun out here, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some circles for the wheels that are inside the treads. So I'm going to draw a big circle right here. All right. And another big circle over here. Draw this circle here. Draw another one here. And it's okay to have a bunch of circles that are representing your wheels. So I'm just going to go ahead and add quite a few circles in here.
I'm not going to add some details.
You're going to add some details?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like a word that connects to every single one.
Okay. We're just having fun on the show, designing a cool military type tank. Tank. Okay, and then I'm going to put another circle in the middle of these. It sure is relaxing to draw, isn't it? Sometimes Lucas and I, we come home from school and we just want to relax and we draw some pictures and just have fun. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little design to the tires inside there. The wheels that are spinning that track around. Sometimes we talk in the morning, it would be fun to drive a tank to school.
Yeah.
We could
Look at this.
Drive it through the snow. Oh yeah. Oh, I like your idea. So Lucas, he's doing something a little bit different than what I am, and that's okay. Just fun. And sometimes you just kind of experiment, try some different patterns on your wheel.
You can do anything you want.
You can. All right. Now on the top side where the tank is, I'm going to be drawing right here. It's going to be coming out. And it's going to be coming right out here. So it's going to come here. And then it's going to come up. It's almost like a less than or greater than sign. Kind of has a little angle here. And so then I'm going to come in like that. All right. Then I'm going to come up here. So I'm just going to put a dot here. And then one right here. Kind of come up here. Kind of connect the dots. And like I said, you can come up with your own design if you want to. I'm going to come all the way down here. Just like that. Yeah. And now I'm going to add the window so you can kind of look out when you're driving the tank.
Okay.
And what I like to do when I'm drawing, I like to draw eye candy. You know, just like little squares or triangles or rectangles, just to add a little bit different
Daddy,
features
look.
on there. Ooh, love it. I like that. Yeah. So I'm just going to draw some eye candy. So maybe I'll draw a square right here.
For another window?
Yeah. Maybe I'll draw another window. I like that idea, Lucas.
Let's see.
Like that. And maybe I'll draw some rectangles here.
Oh, I just thought of a good idea.
Okay.
To put some smoke.
Oh yeah, maybe some smoke on the back side and the exhaust part. I like that. And right here, I'm just going to draw some other lines. Just like I said, this is just eye candy. Maybe another big rectangle coming out
See,
of there.
it's smoking. See?
Yours has an exhaust? Oh yeah, I like that. I think I might add some exhaust like that to mine too.
I'm going to draw the engine part.
Okay. And then on the inside of these tracks, maybe, you know, I really like what Lucas did, so I think I might
Yeah.
do the exact same thing that he did.
It helps connect them.
Yeah, I do like that idea where it kind of helps connect them. Totally agree. Just like that. Ooh. I like it, I like it, I like it. Mine, I might add a cannon right here.
I'm going to add my cannon.
So I'm just going to draw a half a circle and then a rectangle that comes out just like that. Yeah, I think
I'm
that'll be a
drawing
cool
mine
rectangle.
blue.
And then this will be like the back of the truck. This will be, I think this, I might make this like
Daddy.
the exhaust. I might add some lines here. Ooh, you got like a lasers on yours?
A cannon on the top. It's a
Okay.
cannon. Okay. Let's see here. What do I want? Ooh, a tuba buxo.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some dots. Dots are like the, I think they'll represent like big rivets that are going around the tank
Oh.
in different places. So just to add a little texture.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Just
The
in a certain
nails.
place. Oh, the nails, yeah. But they're metal bolts that go through there to connect everything.
Wait a second. Is this kind of looking like a drill?
Yeah, you could make you could have a drill on yours too.
Wait, I'm gonna make a doll
Okay?
to get.
You can add all types of things that you want. This would be so cool to show up to school in a tank. Maybe we could load it with candy.
And this firewood.
That
That's everyone.
would be neat.
Or confetti.
Yeah. And then maybe the window will kind of just add a double line around it.
I'm gonna add some passes.
Another one here. And maybe one more here, like a double line. Alright.
I'm drawing some balls.
And I'll just kind of draw some miscellaneous little shapes here and there.
Oh! I'm gonna make like the missile storage room.
Oh, a missile storage room? That would be cool.
Right here.
Okay.
Right here. And then a little hose come up here.
Alright.
And then puts in the
then
missiles and then.
And then I'll add the ground level a little bit here. That's kind of going to the ground. This is looking so cool. Hey, I think I'm ready for color time! Hey, we had a great time. Hey, thanks for watching the show today. Make sure you check out our other videos on here. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.